Hi everybody, it's Janene Babauskis here from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm with Colette Garside, who's from the UK. And Colette and I were having a chat about her results with a fabulous nutritional regime. And I met Colette 4 years ago when she started on the redox signaling molecules. So what we'll be focusing on tonight is Colette's results when she added in 2 of our amazing nutritional supplements. So I'm going to hand over to you, Colette. Tell us about the history of your nails and when you started on the source and then onto the biome. Over to you.
Thanks for inviting me. In my early 30s, I was extremely ill for 7 years. And through that, my nails would split right down the middle. I'd never be able to grow my nails.
Yeah.
They were very soft. And when I started taking the redox, I felt better in myself. But when Source came out,
yep,
I brought the Source in and it stopped my food cravings and I lost 39 pounds.
Gosh, over what? That's extraordinary. I don't even know what that is in kilos, but it's probably just about 20 kilos, right?
Yeah.
Over what period did you find that you dismissed that weight?
About 9 months.
That's extraordinary. Extraordinary.
Yeah. So,
and is there anything else to say about that? Like, did you notice cravings had stabilized? Like, what was there for you?
Well, I wasn't craving any sugary foods. Even I'm a crisp fanatic. I love
potato crisps. Yep.
And even that went away.
Wow.
And my appetite also reduced, so I could have smaller portions.
Yeah, so let's say a little bit about that, because this is an organic food-based supplement. So it's food for the cells. The technology's been included to maximize the uptake and utilization. So when your cells have got the food, they're no longer yelling at you to eat. Because, like we starve in the Western world as we get fat. We're eating, but we're not getting any nutrition down at the cellular level. So our cells are yelling at us, where's the food? Where's the food? So this is a classic example of where your cells got the food they needed.
Absolutely. And I feel so much better and I look so much better.
You know what? You look 10 years younger, seriously. Like you went on the redox and you look better, but you look different again. Colette.
Yeah, and I use the Renew 28 over the whole of my body and on my face every day.
Yeah.
Without fail.
You look extraordinary.
And then they brought in the biome.
Yes. This is the gut formula.
Yeah, and I take that every night before I go to sleep. And my nails now, I've never had nails so long. They don't split down the middle anymore. All the ridges are almost gone on my nails as well, which I got from my illnesses.
Now, listen, I don't want to ask you how old you are, but approximately how long ago did this nail condition start?
It started when I was 34.
Yeah, like how long would that be without giving away your age?
I don't care. It's only a number. I am 70 in August.
Wow. So like 40 years, almost 40 years, you've had those soft splitting nails that you could never grow and were really, really uncomfortable for you.
They used to be so sore when they split.
Yep. And so you add in the biome and get your gut flora restored. How long did it take before you noticed your nails were growing like normal nails, healthy?
Oh, only about 2 or 3 weeks.
Things started to change straight away. And how long have you been on biome now?
Since they launched it.
Yeah, and I was trying to think how long that would be. I guess it'd be.
I think they launched it last year, didn't they?
I don't know. I
think because this year they launched the Omega.
Yeah,
which I'm now taking.
That was last year, so it was biome.
It'll be the year before then.
Yeah,
it'll be the year before.
Yeah, been on it, no, well, 18 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. Oh my goodness. And is there anything else? Not that that's, you know, not that there should be, but is there
Well,
anything else you've noticed?
my husband uses the Renew on his solar panel every
Yes.
day,
Yes.
and that has almost covered over now with hair. He had problems with his gut yesterday, and I actually put him on the Biome yesterday, and his gut problem has disappeared overnight.
Yeah, I was saying.
So he's now taking the Biome every night.
Look, I was saying tonight, you know, I've been recommending supplements to people for 40 years. I have never seen the results like I've seen with these supplements. So when they say that, you know, incredible technology that allows the uptake, utilization, you know, total absorption, they're not kidding. You know,
No, they're not
kidding, because I just, the results are just incredible. And I was just so excited when, you know, you shared a little bit of your story last night. I'm so grateful that we have Colette Garside with us tonight from the UK, sharing her incredible story. Thanks so much,
Thanks for
Colette.
asking me. Thank you.
Bye-bye.